Okay, so every trade is actually moving forward, and this is the reason I took the GU buys. I gave a hint. I gave a hint in the weekly analysis, but I actually didn't give a signal for the buys. As I said, I was like looking for buys from this other block. I wanted market to come and tap in this other block and buy from here. But what I saw after market openings was market pulled back to this area, then it dropped back here. And when market was dropping back, I saw it in the 30 minutes time frame that market has actually created this area of interest. I expected market to buy from because the market opened yesterday at 10. This was the reaction after the market opened. And when the market opened, there was this bullish momentum pushing the market upward. And when the market pushed above here, it came to respect this zone. This is the zone it came to respect. This OB here. This is where it came to respect, and it dropped back. And I was just like, no, I'm not actually going to explain everything to the deep back. I was like, no, I'm expecting bullish momentum, so I'm expecting market to come to this imbalance. So how can I get in this price? So I just located the closest area of interest, which was this other block, and I waited for market to come and mitigate it. And around 9 a.m. you saw market pull back to that area, and due to Trump's inauguration, market was too bullish for all XAU pairs, and market just jumped straight to my TP. And what was my TP? My TP was actually these highs here, which were actually serving as liquidity. But now, one thing I'm looking for is, I think I'm looking for market to draw somewhere back here, then move to this point of interest. And after that point of interest, I'm expecting market to move down as expected. But for now, this is the main reason I took the GU buys. But today, I will focus more on why I took the good buys. That's one of the most important things. That's one of the main things people are actually looking for. But before that, let's look at my GU buys. The reason I took the GU buys. So this is my GU buys, and this is the reason I took the GU buys. GU was actually in a downwards movement since last week, and I showed charts on my downward trades of GU. But look at something here. After GU did the downwards move, we saw a lot of market trying to reverse here on this zone 190.064. So there was a lot of break of structures here. Market breaking structure downwards, passive, and lower lows, market doing lower lows and lower lows. And after that, there was this sharp change in market structure. Look at this. Market structure shift. There was this sharp one. The market just came to change character here. And what was I even looking for? I'm looking for a breaker block and a fair value gap. So I just looked for this breaker block and a fair value gap and used it as my area of interest. And I was looking for 50% of that area. So market came to 50%, kind of consolidated and all that. But I was so confident in this trade and maintained composure. And around 6 a.m., 5 a.m., I saw markets starting to move upward, pulled back into an OB, and that was when the upward movement started. But from my weekly outlook, we all know this is what we are looking for. This sales is what we are looking for. So you should just wait for market to come to 50% of this daily imbalance and sell from there. Until then, I'm holding this GU buys. I've already broke even on this trade. Trade is not in risk anymore, waiting for it to move upwards. So let's look at my good buys and the reason I took the buys, because I'm not going to teach here. I'm just giving breakdown of why I took these trades, although people weren't sure about their trades and all that. This was the main chart I gave and analysis I gave on the video. You see, I haven't changed anything here. Nothing is changed here. The same thing I dropped in the video. The 4-hour fair value gap and the OB I was expecting market to mitigate. But it looks kind of different and special here. and a lot of people didn't understand why I had to take this trade at 1 a.m. I had to take this trade at 1 a.m. Let me give you the main reason. No, market just opened for the week, and this is the opening candle for the week. And the opening candle was so big that market tried to push up. It was a bullish candle, but you see buyers trying to push the market up. And I already said in the weekly outlook that bulls are trying to tell us they really need gold. No matter the bullish momentum of the XY, they want to buy gold. So looking at this, I was like, no, I'm not expecting market to drop. Although market has actually showed this downward move after around 5 p.m. on Friday, but that doesn't mean market is dropping. So I just took it as my range, as I said, in my CLT, and you saw the 12 a.m. candle was kind of not decisive. It didn't show any direction of the market and all that. You could see that in the 1 hour candle, in the 1 a.m. candle, market came to sweep the low of the opening candle, and what I was actually waiting for was market to close inside this range so that I can take my buys. See, my arrow is here, I could take my buys, and if market is able to make it up to the high of this candle range, I just look for another entry and take. But this was my main motive. I was waiting for market to climb up to this fair value gap, and I'll take my second entry. But because by the time it got there, it was around 3 a.m., 4 a.m., and I know a lot of people were asleep. I wasn't asleep, but I missed the trade because this candle moved with a lot of momentum that it never came back, and I couldn't take my second entry there. So I had to take my second entry here on the top of the range. And after that was when I saw people saying buy gold, buy gold. And it's kind of risky buying gold here today because of immigration, and it was going to range, and it was going to give a lot of people heart attacks because you see market go come back to your entry, go back to your entry is kind of stressful. So myself, I'm so cool today because I took my trade here and my second entry is here, and this is covering up with all these trades, and it makes it so wonderful, like having your trades here. And yeah, this is the main reason. Let's go into the 5-minute chart, and I'll give you the main entry criteria I used to take this trade. You see, on the 5 minutes, I have an OB in the 5 minutes. I didn't show anyone. I have a point of interest in the 5 minutes. I didn't actually show this. Something happened here. After market gave that massive move to take out the low, you see market had this massive momentum moving up, and after that it left. When the pullback came to that OB here, it left the fair value gap, and a lot of people like to take sniper entries. It's good you have time entries, but sometimes you have to also wait for confirmations. So I just waited for market to break this fair value gap, turn it into an index fair value gap, then wait for market to tap back into it, and I take my entry. So immediately I saw this bullish candle, 5-minute candle. That was when I took my buys. Immediately this bullish candle closed, I just took my buys. So I got a lot of a little drawdown to the fair value gap, of which was what I had to wait for. I didn't wait for it because I knew market was really going to buy, and I took my buy positions, and that was when the buy position started. So as I said, I was waiting to buy from this middle line, and this momentum was still huge, and I thought it would come back and mitigate my buy limit after I saw it, but it never came back. And one thing about market is don't chase it. Don't chase the market. If you have a trade, never try to chase the market. It's not worth it. Never try to chase the market. If you take a trade and the trade starts to move, don't try to chase it, else you will end up blowing accounts. And don't try to chase it. So just after that, you see, as I said, I was waiting for market to break the high and come back to the high, and market broke the opening candle high for the week, and it pulled back to the same zone as I said, and nothing more than that, the same zone. And I took my buy from there using this profit to cover the SLs of these. And as the market started to move, I gave a signal in the week that it's inauguration day, 2 hours to inauguration, market is coming to start doing crazy moves. That was when we saw some things like this. That was when market started doing this. So I have to bring all my SLs into profit here, my SL here, brought it into profit. Although it's actually going to be an SL, but the profit is actually going to take care of the rest because I've already taken partials on the high of this area. I guess it. But basically, this is why I took good trades, and I think I'm expecting a lot of momentum. I'm expecting a lot of, right now I'm expecting this for market to break this high. I'm expecting market to break this high. I'm not really breaking retest. This is not breaking retest, but although I'm expecting market to take this immediate high here, pull back into that area, then more buys. Market take this high, pull back into that area, and more buys. Yeah. But for now, I think I'm just doing recap on all the trades. I'm just doing recaps on all of them. I think we have talked about GU to the GU trade and all that. So now I'm just waiting for GU to pull into any zone here, and I take myself. I'm waiting for it to pull here. So those who joined earlier, I talked about this. I'm just waiting for it to pull back. NQ, we did analysis on NQ. Yeah. No, we were waiting for NQ to draw into this zone. And it's so wonderful that NQ is leaving liquidity zones here to be swept. So one thing I'm waiting for is I'm not chasing the market. I'm just waiting for the market to come to me. So this zone has to be swept, and we have to see a sharp move to this zone, sweeping all these guys. Then market starts to move up again. If that doesn't happen, the sharp move actually don't give us confirmation. This is the area we should be looking to buy from, because this area can also be targeted. So we just wait to get confirmation where this market can react from, and we enter the market from there. I think these were the markets we looked at for the week, and I'm not adding any more. I'm just going by what I gave. But let's see. Let's see from here. I think I had an EU trade. Yes, this EU trade is being promising, but I told some people I'm not ready to trade EU. But if you're willing to take EU, it's already in a good spot. I'm expecting confirmation. If this is able to drop back here, if it's able to drop back, we look for something like this. We look for something like this, a pullback, a retest here, then a drop. This is what you should look for if you want to trade EU. I actually didn't give a breakout and I also look on EU, but if you want to trade EU, this is what you should be looking at on EU. So I think that's it for this meeting. I actually wanted to do a breakdown for you guys to understand why and how I confirmed the trade after the outlook. I just did the outlook. I never told you guys we are entering now, because I'm not doing that. I don't give signals, I don't do that. But the best I can do is to just explain to you why I took the trades, and the reason I'm in the trade, and the reason I'm holding the trade, and what I'm expecting from after every single trade. So yeah, I think that's okay for now. And if you have any question, you have anything to ask me,